And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. Beautiful day here in Lethbridge. Lots of sunshine. Winds weren't too strong throughout the day. We're at 0 right now under sunshine. We did get down to -12 at 5 a.m. and 2 degrees was our high. And we were at that right around the 3 o'clock mark. And we hung in there for a couple of hours. At that temperature, humidity is at 48%, and that's about average for us for this time of year in this neck of the woods. So we are going to see that number spike a little bit, as Jackie and I were alluding to. But right now, temperatures, because of the clear skies, it does take a couple of days before we start to see really positive numbers. We are expecting that to happen, but this is a real roller coaster week because we've got systems coming in from the west, from BC, and they'll be causing our temperatures to fluctuate a little bit. So you can see minus numbers there up on the screen as well. Right now, we're just looking at some high thin cloud that's making its way into the province, and that'll be happening and continuing in the overnight hours as well. The cloud deck will really thicken up tomorrow, and we have another line of cloud that's going to be moving in from the northwest to the southeast. That will create the cloudy skies, and we have a chance of flurry activity. That, in combination with the system that's moving across the south, is what gives us that chance of precipitation late in the day tomorrow. So you can see the forecaster wants to replicate pretty much what I just said. We have that system moving across BC. It will be kicking off some bands of cloud into southern Alberta tomorrow. We have that chance of seeing some precipitation. Most of it will be isolated to the north. Calgary looks like might get a little bit of dusting. We might get a dusting here in Lethbridge late in the day, but it's Thursday that we're expecting to see some real flurry activity making its way into southern Alberta. Down east, we've got a series of low pressure centers that are just south of the international border. As they trek across, we've got rainfall warnings out for parts of southern Ontario. Heavy snowfall warnings are already in place for parts of Nova Scotia, and in between those two systems, as they make their way across, it'll alternate between freezing rain, light snow, freezing drizzle over the next 24 hours. -7 degrees in Winnipeg right now, -6 and -3 in Regina and Saskatoon, -4 in the capital, 7 degrees in Vancouver, Metro Vancouver in heavy snowfall criteria right now, 15 centimeters expected. Whitehorse looking at some snow overnight tonight. Dempster in the Yukon is under blizzard warnings right now, and Yellowknife expecting a snow-rain mix over the next few days. For East Kootenay, you're looking at a chance of flurries tonight down to -10, 0 for a high tomorrow. Mainly cloudy with a chance of flurries, especially in the afternoon hours. West winds at about 20 kilometers per hour. For the Crow's Nest Pass, partly cloudy skies tonight down to -12. Tomorrow, you're looking for sun and cloud mix with a chance of snow late in the day, -1 for a daytime high, and windy in the afternoon. Medicine Hat, clear skies tonight down to -9. A sun and cloud mix tomorrow, 3 degrees for a high. Southwest winds at 20 kilometers per hour. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at an overnight low of -9. Clear skies tonight, late in the day tomorrow and into the evening hours, chance of that flurry activity. And then Thursday is when we'll have a more organized system, part and parcel of what's going to be hitting Vancouver. It'll weaken by the time it gets here, but that's what is expected to move over our area on Thursday. But then we clear out nicely. Temperatures really rebound. And I might be conservative with 11 because some forecast models are putting that at 12 degrees, but I always kind of tend to be a little conservative as far as the numbers go.